everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video from LUVME Hair. They sent me over this cute 10-inch bob with the bangs. Yes. And it's Yaki. It looks so freaking good, you guys. I don't know if y'all know, but LUVME is known for their effortless, ready to wear wigs, okay? So beautiful and easy to switch up. No glue required, okay? This one was so easy to put on, and when you're ready for your next wig, you just take it right off and put your new one on, okay? But yes, this is a good one, y'all. If you want to see me install this, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave my Instagram and TikTok right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, we got another LUVME wig today. Your wig bag. I got this little wig grip too, and this wig cap came with it as well. You got your little brochure with all your hair care and stuff like that. And then you get a little LUVME hair brush. Look at this cute little paddle brush that they have. That's so cute. The wig we're working with today is a 10-inch straight Yaki bob with the bangs. Look at that scalp. The scalp looks really good. It's nice and thick. I love a good Yaki texture for sure. Let's get into the construction of this wig. So right here is gonna be your little fake scalp you got going, adjustable band, adjustable straps on the side. Super easy, ready to go wig. I'll probably be able to just put this on real quick and do a little bump with my straightener, and she'll be ready to go. This is an easy little switch up wig, okay? Super easy. I'm gonna install this real quick so you guys can see how fast it is, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, you guys, I'm all done styling the wig. The wig looks so good. This was such a quick and easy install. When I tell you, when you need a wig that is just ready to go, fast and efficient, you're gonna want one of these. Definitely. I wish you guys could really see the texture on this hair, but it has so much movement. The Yaki texture feels really, really good. It's nice and thick. The blunt cut on this wig as well is giving everything. It's giving real stylist, okay? But yeah, all I did was I went in, rebumped the hair, took my hot comb, flattened everything out, used my little edge tamer to get the little flyaways out. And yes, the wig has a very, very good tight, snug fit. I love that. So it feels super, super secure on the head. And because you don't have to worry about edges or glue or anything, you could switch this wig up in minutes, okay? Switch it up in minutes. But yeah, she's super, super cute. Let me show you guys the back of the wig real quick. Yes, that is the wig. Make sure you guys check out all the information in the description box. LUVME Hair has so many affordable wigs. They are known for all their beautiful wigs at a very, very good quality for an affordable price. So make sure you guys check them out and check out all the wigs that they carry. This one's so good. I love it. And I love a bob. And you don't gotta worry about it. It's just like, it just moves and goes right back in place. I love it. I love it. All right, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring this video today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.